This Gourmia air fryer slash toaster, roaster, slow cooker has everything you need for a small kitchen. It will do everything for you. It can toast, bagel, roast, bake, broil, pizza, reheat, keep warm, popcorn, and dehydrate. It's dual cook with temperature and shade of the toast, or you can do convection oven and it tells you the time and how many minutes, how many slices you can put in there. And here is the stop and cancel. The door is open and there is the inside. We use this every day when we toast bagels or we bake something small. We've even done a dozen cookies in here. It's just super user-friendly. We utilize it every day and we can recommend it as a very big family.